Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and as you can see from the building behind me, I'm looking at a log cabin. Um, and it's a cabin I restored almost 25 years ago for the granddaughters of the original builder. And when I got contacted to them, it was in much worse shape. Oh, anyway, it was it was not built here. Um, and they were in a nursing home, and the granddaughters uh, got a hold of the Blue Earth County Fairground people, and we rebuilt it down here for them. And it basically hasn't had anything done to it um, for 25 years. And we originally put a stain on it, Sashco or Permachink, I'm not sure. And instead of recoating it and getting hold of me, they took over the maintenance and did nothing, which we call the deferred maintenance program. So anyway, here we are today, looking at it to figure out what we really ought to do with it. There's some chinking repair that needs to be done here and there. But aside from that, what I'm concerned about is how to deal with the stain, waterproofing, sealer, whatever you want to call it. And anyhow, my thoughts are we got two or three options. We can stain the whole thing, stain the chinking as well, and go back with the original product, something similar, and lose a little bit of the contrast between the chinking and the logs, which I hate to do. But one of the other options is to just treat it with boron and let it go at that. The other option is to use the Canadian product called Lifetime or Lifeline. I'm not sure what it was. I haven't used that for a long time either. But I understand it's incompatible with boron preservative. And by incompatible, I'm not exactly sure what that means. If it's a color issue or what. But if anybody's got any experience with any of these products, I would love to hear from you to help me figure out a solution to this problem I have, or as they would call it in the old days, my conundrum. The logs are holding up pretty good. I tried to extend the roof line a little bit further than what it was originally, but it's it's starting to show signs of wear, and we got some powder post beetle activity on the inside, so I can take care of that easy enough. But just looking for some suggestions on how we can proceed to keep this 1860 log cabin by Tolov and Joanna Garborg here for another century or so. Thanks for watching, folks. Let me know what your advice is.